Interesting. I'm in pursuit of an emu. I'm currently behind the emu. He's running back southbound in the middle of the road. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come on. Oh, gosh. Go this way. This way. This way. Go. Keep going. This way. You know, some big old talons. Come here. Come on. Come on. Is this where you live? I'll be honest with you, I've never handcuffed an emu before, but they'll fit around his legs, and that'll keep him from kicking. In you go. There you go. Oh, look who's got you now. Just a little closer. There we go. There's that one. Don't move. Don't move. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. I got one on. Don't look at me that way. Hey, don't bite me. Don't even think about it. Don't do it. Are you done resisting? I don't want to have to charge you. Don't talk back to me. Now you're behaving, aren't you? Secured. Look at that. I have a full set of cuffs on this emu. Yeah, say hello. Oh! You ain't going nowhere now.
Come on, baby. I'm not going to pull her. I'm just going to maybe kind of go in the weeds.